Ram Ram everyone. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So today's lecture is about avasthas or the state of the planets which are based on their state of being. It is completely degree based concept. Degrees of planets within a particular Rashi. The ancient text gives us details, explanations, and calculations by which one can quantify the outcome of the planet and also precisely predict the strength of the same. One can make accurate prediction solely using avasthas. Avastha is a Sanskrit word which means state, dignity, or condition. When we relate the same with the planet, it talks about their behavior in terms of mood while they are in a particular Rashi and transiting over various constellations. These dignities play an important role in deciding performance of planet in any native's life. It simply shows the conditions, mood, or possibly the age of the planet over different periods of time and announces the result during Dasha Bhukti of the planet. The announcement is detailed and comprehensive. So basically, the state of each planet tells us about their behavior when it comes to giving a result. Now altogether, there are various avasthas and primarily we consider 96 avasthas more important given by sage Parashar. So few I am explaining here. First is Deeptadi Avastha. Second is Balyadi Avastha. Third is Jagratadi Avastha. Fourth is Lajjitadi Avastha. And fifth is Sayanadi Avastha.